For multiplication, okay, for getting the product for multiplication of functions, we have here the formula f times g of x, or it's equal to f of x times g of x. We will multiply g from x or vice versa. To find the product of two functions, put parentheses around them and multiply each term from the first function to each term of the second function. So we will do the FOIL method. The first, outer, inner, and last. That's the FOIL method. So copy lang natin yung mga given. Then multiply natin. So first tayo, sa F muna tayo, first, 2x squared times 4x cube or 4x raised to 3. Multiply natin yung 4 and 2, and that's 8. And then, sa lowest of exponent for multiplication, you'll just add the exponent. So 2 plus 3, kaya 5. Copy mo na yung x. Okay, automatic na yung x. Next, after first, let's go to outer. And the outer number are 2x squared and then 1. Multiply mo lang to. Okay? So 2x squared times 1, it's 2x squared. Just copy the exponent na lang. How about the next one? It's the outer. First, outer. Ayan, after pala ng outer, inner pala, sorry. Inner, the inner numbers are the 3 and 4x raised to 3. So multiply 4 and 3. So we have 12x raised to 3. Then after that, the last number. So we have 3 and 1. So 3 times 1 is 3. Suppose, since wala nang like terms, okay, wala nang like terms dito. Bakit walang like terms? Kasi as you can see, magkakaibang exponent. Wala namang whole number dito na same with 3. Kaya, ayusin na lang natin siya into descending order. Pero hindi naman siya required. Okay, it's up to you. Dito sa multiplication. Okay. Pero much better if para mas maganda tignan, we will arrange it in descending order. So it will become 8x raised to 5 followed by positive 12x raised to 3, and then 2x raised to 2, and then 3. Okay, that's it. That is the multiplication of functions. Next we have the division. The division is f over g of x, or f of x divided by g of x. Okay, maybe this is the easiest. Why? Titignan mo lang dito kung pwede siyang i-reduce. Reduce lang ang gagawin dito. Kung hindi pwedeng i-reduce yung given, then that's the answer. As you can see here, our f of x is 2x squared plus 3, and our g of x is 4x cubed plus 1. Okay, so divide natin. Mas umauna si f. F will be our numerator and our g is the denominator. So 2x plus 3. As you can see, wala naman nang pwedeng i-reduce. Okay? Sir, baka sabihin nyo, sir, pwede pong i-reduce yung 2 and 4. Hindi po pwedeng i-reduce yan. Kasi po, buti kung yung ginamit na symbol is parenthesis. Kung may parenthesis si 2x squared at saka si 3. Since may positive sign dito, meaning one group ito, hindi mo pwedeng paghiwalayin to. Kasi we have the grouping symbols. What are they? They are the parentheses, the braces, and the brackets. So since ito magkasama to, kasi once na ginalaw mo to, magagalaw din to. Or kapag mag-divide, dito pala, kapag nagtanggal ka dito or nag-reduce ka dito, magre-reduce din to. Since this is, pwede siyang ma-reduce, ito hindi, kaya wag mo nang i-reduce. Okay, so ganyan na lang. So this will be your final answer. So those are the example and then of the operations and functions. So I will give you some examples. So, I will give you another example. That's yung process ng pag-add. So, I have here a whiteboard and then my marker. Yan. So, magsusulat tayo. For example, our f of x is 2x plus 1 and our g of x is equal to x plus 2. Ayan. So nakikita, ayan. These are our two functions. So first, add tayo. So f plus g of x. Ayan yung i-add natin. So, or f of x, x plus g of x. So, let's do the process. So, copy natin yung f. And this is the f. So, 2x plus 1 plus, since this is addition, plus g of x, this is 1, this one. So, x plus 2. Then, let's do the process of addition. So, 2x plus x, combining like terms, 2x plus x, it's 3x. And then, plus 1 plus 2 is 3. Then, this is our answer. Okay, so that's it. That is our final answer. Ganun lang po kadali ang addition of functions. Now, how about for subtraction? Wait. Subtraction naman, same ang given. Okay, same ang given. So, f minus g of x is equal to f of x minus g of x. So, copyhin natin yung mga data, mga numbers. So, we have 2x plus 1 minus, okay, lagyan mo ng parenthesis always para hindi kayo malito, x plus 2. Kasi, sabi ko kanina, hindi mo basta-bastang mag-subtract agad na 2x plus 1 minus x plus 2. All you have to do first is to let's do the distributive property of multiplication. Itong negative sign dito, i-distribute mo dito. At yung negative na to, i-distribute mo rin dito. Okay, so copy 2x plus 1. Now, negative times positive x, it's negative x. And then negative times positive 2 is negative 2. And then combining like terms, 2x minus x, or dito kasi sa x, diba sabi ko, ay, alam niyo naman sa math na may nakatagong 1 dito. So 2x minus x is simply x. Don't put 1 here. Don't put 1x. Kasi automatic pag x may 1 na nakatago sa loob niyan. Kumbaga redundant na siya tignan. Okay, so 2x minus x is simply x, and then 1 minus 2 is negative 1. This will be our final answer, x minus 1. Okay. Dali di ba? Ang dali di ba? I hope nakakasunod ang lahat. How about for multiplication? Multiplication. Same given. Okay. F of g of x is equal to f of x times g of x. Okay. Copy lang natin ulit. So since multiplication, lagay tayo ng grouping symbol or yung parenthesis or the multiplication symbol na parenthesis. So 2x plus 1 and then x plus 2. If you want to use the FOIL, pwede. And bibigyan ko pa ng another technique. FOIL method. Pwede. So let's do the FOIL method. First, yan, first, outer, inner, last. Kaya first muna tayo. First, ayan, this is the first term. 2x plus x. And 2x plus x is 2x squared. Hindi pa pwedeng 3. Hindi pwede ang 3 kasi 2 times 1 is 1. And then may 1 dito na exponent, may 1 na exponent doon. Kaya 1 plus 1 is 2. 2x squared. Then, next, after first, let's go to outer. Outer number we have 2 and 2. So 2x times 2 is positive 4x. After outer, we have inner. Inner number we have 1 and x. So plus 1 times x is simply x. And then last, we have 1 and 2. That's are the last numbers. So 1 times 2 is positive 2. Yan na ba yung sagot? Hindi pa. Combining like terms. As you can see here, same ito at ito. Same. So our final answer will be, okay, 2x squared and then 4x plus x is 5x. Bakit hindi 4x squared or 5x squared? Kasi parehas naman na may x. This is addition property na tayo. Okay? Addition property. We will just add the same the like terms and then just copy. Okay. So 2x squared plus 5x plus 2. And this will be our final answer. Ayan. So, another technique or another step na kailangan aside from, and tignan natin kung tama ba yung sagot natin. So, another technique, dito tayo. Ayan, dyan. So, same expression. Ito yung mostly ginagamit ko na technique kasi mas gamay ko to kaysa yung foil. So, 2x plus 1, yung normal lang na multiplication, and then x plus 2. Ganyan. So, 2 times 1 is 2, positive 2. 2 times 2x is positive 4x or simply 4x. Okay. X times 1 is simply x or 1x or just x, positive. Then x times 2x is 2x squared. Ayan. And then, process of addition. So, bring down 2 plus 4x plus x is 5x. And then, bring down 2x squared. This is my answer. This will be our answer. And as you can see, parehas lang sila dito. So, it's up to you kung saan kayo mas nadadalian na process. We have the FOIL method and the basic multiplication process. Same na same lang din. Ang magiging kalaban nyo dito is the symbols. Always, sa mathematics, ang kalaban mo talaga is the sign. If it's positive or negative. Kasi once na nagkamali ka sa sign, yung positive mo, yung ginawa mong negative, mali na po lahat yon. Suppose here, nagkamali ka lang to, dapat this would be positive sana, and ginawa mong negative, mali na lahat yung mga data, magiging sagot mo. So, dun po, sa mathematics, sign, yung pinaka-critical stage talaga sa math is yung signs. Okay. Then, that is multiplication. Next, we have also the division. Same ano pa rin, given. Okay, erase ko lang to. Ayan, so division tayo. We have f of x divided by g of x. And ang value ng f of x natin ay 2x plus 1 at 2x plus 1. And ang value ng g of x natin is x plus 2. Pwede pa bang ma-reduce yan? Hindi na. Hindi na to pwedeng ma-reduce. Kaya, this will be our answer. Ayan. So, those are the operations on functions. Is it clear? I hope it's clear with you. Because I will be giving you an activity based on this topic. Okay. What you saw a while ago are the process for adding, subtracting, multiplying, and dividing functions. Now, let's move on to evaluation of functions. Dito sa evaluation sa functions, nagsasubstitute ka lang kung ano yung hinahanap natin. You're just substituting based on what's given number. Kung ano yung value ng unknown. Okay, for example, ayan, find for the given functions, f of x is equal to 3x raised to 3 plus 8. And find f of 3, f of 0, and f of negative 2. Since given na yung x, which is 3, yun ang isa-substitute mo dito sa x. Kaya as you can see here, 3, yan, copy mo to, copy mo yung equation, and then substitute x into 3, which is 3 is the given. So, 3 times 3 raised to 2. This will be mali to, okay? So, sabihin na lang natin na raised to 2 ito. Typo error lang to. This is raised to 2, not raised to 3. Para masundan natin ito. Okay. 3 times 3 raised to 2 plus 8. Okay. And then first we have the process of PEMDAS. We have first the parenthesis and then the exponent. So multiply mo muna, get the square of 3, which is 3 square is 9. Then 9 times 3 is 27. Plus 8, we got 35. Okay, next. How about for the next one? Since 0, any number multiplied by 0 is 0. Diba? So pag ganyan, napakadali na lang yan. Kapag 0 ang given na value ng x, you will just copy the constant. What is the constant there? It's 8. So ang f of 0, if we evaluate f of 0, the answer would be 8. Why? Because 3 times 0 raised to 2 is 0. Because 0 squared is 0 and 0 times 3 is 0. Yun lang po yun. So just copy the what is constant there. Okay, so ano tayo? Mano-mano natin. Mano-mano natin. Okay. So ano yung given kanina? Sige, bull lang tayo ng given. Evaluation of functions. F of x is equal to 3x raised to 2. Ayan. Plus x plus minus na lang para maiba. Minus 4. Okay. Find. Ayan, sa A. F of 2. B. This is not multiple choice. We're looking for this one. We have f of 0. And then the next one is f of negative 1. Ayan. Nakikita ba? Hindi nakikita, I think. Ayan, so blur siya. Ayan. So our given expression or function is f of x is equal to 3x squared plus 4 plus x minus 4, and then we will find f of 2, f of 0, and f of negative 1. So i-evaluate lang natin. Meaning, we will substitute the values of f or the values of x dito sa given na equation. So first, we will find f of 2. So f of 2, kopyahin mo lang yan, is equal to, then copy the equation. We have 3x squared plus x minus 4. And then we will substitute our x's into 2. So 3 times 2 squared plus 2 minus 4. So yan, PEMDAS rule. So 2 square is 4. 4 times 3 plus 2 minus 4. So 3 times 4, 12. Correct. 12 plus 2 minus 4. So 12 plus 2 is 14. Yan, 12 plus 2 is 14 minus 4. And 14 minus 4 is 10. So this will be our answer for f of 2. If we evaluate 3x squared plus x minus 4 into f of 2, our answer is 10. How about if f is 0? Wait lang. How about if f is 0? Okay, how about if f is 0? So, same process pa rin. F of 0 is equal to 3x squared plus x minus 1. Sabi ko kanina, any number multiplied by 0 is 0. So, would you believe me if the answer here is negative 4? Will be our answer. Why? Any number na i-multiply mo ng 0 is 0. So, tignan nyo ito. Ayan. So, magiging 3 times 0 is 0 plus 0 minus 4. So, cancel to. 0 yan. 0 din yan. So, 0 plus 0 minus 4. And then, negative 4. This will be the answer. Any number multiplied by 0 is 0. Kaya just copy the constant, which is 4. Okay, so our answer here is negative 4. Yan. The next, last one. For our example. Okay. How about for negative 1? Negative 1. And for a last one, negative 1. And then same process. F of negative 1 is equal to 3x squared minus plus x minus 4. So 3 negative 1 square plus x minus 4. So ganun pa rin. So, negative 1 square is 1 times 3. Ay, this is 1. Negative 1 pala. Negative 1 na to. Kasi positive times negative is negative 1. Okay. So, minus 1 minus 4. So, 3 minus 1 minus 4. So it will give an answer of 2 minus 4. And the answer is negative. Ayan siya. So yan. So 3 times 1 is 1. 3 times 1 is 3, sorry. And then copy negative 1 and copy negative 4. Then 3 minus 1 is 2. 2 minus 4 and 2 minus 4 is negative 2. And then this will be our answer. That's the process in getting if we evaluate 3x squared plus x minus 4 into f is negative 1. So that's it. So that is on how to solve how to evaluate functions. So ayan. We are now done with our chapter 2, and also I will be giving you your activity 2 as soon as possible. So that concludes our chapter 2 discussion. So ayan. So, balikan natin doon sa operations and functions, yung addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So, given na yung mga formula, ang tignan lang doon is yung sa may subtraction. So, hindi kayo basta-basta mag-subtract. All you have to do is to transpose negative sign muna sa expression, doon sa tabi niya, before you do the process of subtraction. Sa division naman, kung hindi siya pwedeng i-reduce to lowest term, then that will be your final answer. So multiplication, you will have to do is the FOIL method or the basic multiplication method. And then sa evaluation of functions naman, all you have to do is to substitute the values of the function na given doon sa naghahanap yung equation. Okay, doon sa equation na given. Ang gagawin niya lang is substitute yung given. For example, yung given na yan, i-substitute yung 3, yung f of 3, f of 0, and f of negative 2. Parang yung ginawa ko kanina yung pagsosolve kanina. Ganun lang po kanila yan. So, for that, I hope you gain knowledge again in our chapter 2. And as I said a while ago, I will be giving you your activity within this week or any time of the week. So, don't forget to like and to subscribe to my YouTube channel and paki-share na din para dumami ang aking subscribers para ma-monetize na tayo. So, that's it. Thank you, goodbye, and God bless.